Hey guys, Vincent here from Card & Cloud. I want to show you a really cool new feature that we added as part of the new Scan Move process, which is the ability to see the history of movements that you've made. So you can see this by simply pressing onto this clock icon, which shows you history, and that brings up the history from the last 30 days worth of movements. So you can scan down through these to see what happened, scan back up. Really useful if you've just moved a lot of stock around in the warehouse and you might have actually gone and wanted to go back and check, did I shift that stock in the application, just to double check. Super useful. So you can literally just scan through here. It shows you everything that was successful, everything that failed. Let's say you tried to move stock to a location that it couldn't support, for example, frozen stock to an ambient location. But very useful way to just jump back in there and see exactly what went on. And like I said, 30 days worth of history stored in there on the device as well.